The internet has changed our world. We're able to work, learn, and connect with people from the comfort of our own homes. But despite the great positive changes it brought, some experts are reasonably concerned about the direction it has gone. Today, companies such as Facebook, Google, and Amazon have unbridled control over the information superhighway. These companies not only have the ability to freely access the information we send out over the web, but also play a huge role in what information ends up getting presented to us in the first place. Enter Web 3.0, the next stage of evolution for the internet. With this next step, experts are hoping for an internet closer to Tim Berners-Lee's original vision, an open information center, uncontrolled by any central authority and accessible to anyone without permission. This vision shaped the early days of the internet, or Web 1.0. During this time, the internet was essentially just an information database people could remotely access. It was referred to as read-only and was a far cry from the deeply interactive experience it is today. The shift towards the internet we know today came with Web 2.0's emergence around 1999, when the internet took on new dimensions of interactivity and became a place where people created and accessed a wider variety of content and interactive experiences. The levels of interactivity included the first social media platforms, online marketplaces, and much to everyone's chagrin, online advertising. Although online advertising has come a long way since the endless pop-ups we used to get 20 years ago, it represents an alarming truth about how the internet has morphed from a communication portal to a sales portal. This is thanks to the massive amounts of information big tech is able to mine based on our search queries, transaction histories, and sometimes even input from our devices. Even the things we mention in passing during offline conversations can be tracked, serving up ads with startling precision. Most of the things we do online now are powered by services from one of a handful of companies. Email, Google. Social media, Facebook. Shopping, Amazon. For better or for worse, the internet today is centralized. Since the major players online don't face competition, they're free to do whatever they want with our data. So if Facebook's servers go down, we don't just lose access to that one site. Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp would go down along with it. The centralization of the internet also makes it difficult to hold any of these companies accountable for bad behavior. Even when research emerges on the negative effects their products can have on their user base, and sometimes even society as a whole, little is done on the company's end to resolve this. One of the core principles of Web 3.0 would be to slowly undo this structure by creating a decentralized internet. This is how blockchain is powered. Instead of using a group of servers for the transmission of data, blockchain technology relies on a peer-to-peer network. In a peer-to-peer network, a group of devices called nodes collectively store and share files without any central administration or server, so every node has equal power and performs the same tasks. That means that no singular entity will be able to stake control over data. It'll be something like a digital democracy. Each connected device will contribute to the strength of the platform. If peer-to-peer and blockchain technology sound familiar, that's because these are already widely in use today. It's the tech that powers cryptocurrency, a decentralized means of investment and banking that's taken the financial world by storm. Decentralization could fundamentally change how we use the internet. With Web 3.0, experts project that we'll be freely able to access the internet, independent of an internet service provider. More people will have the ability to control how their assets, data, and information are used and monetized online. The internet will be more truly democratic.